When choosing an air fryer, Nuwave and Ninja are two of the most popular brands, each offering unique features, strengths, and some trade-offs. Here's a concise, expert comparison to help you decide which fits your kitchen best. Design. Nuwave air fryers, especially larger models like the Brio 15.5 QD, are notable for their substantial size and boxy shape, which can dominate countertop space. The control panel is typically positioned on top and angled for accessibility, featuring large, clearly marked buttons and a digital display. Some models include helpful guides printed on the surface for quick reference, though this can make the design look cluttered. Ninja air fryers are known for their compact, modern, and user-friendly design. Models like the Ninja Pro AF141 feature a squat, wide profile that is easy to fit on most countertops, with straightforward controls and a large, clear digital timer. The baskets are spacious relative to the unit's footprint and often feature a ceramic coating, which is both non-toxic and easy to clean. Cooking capacity. Nuwave is known for larger baskets and models up to 15.5 quarts. Nuwave is ideal for families or batch cooking. You can cook more food in one go, making it efficient for gatherings or meal prep. Ninja's standard models range from 4 to 6 quarts, with dual-zone models offering up to 7.6 liters. Best for couples or small families, but dual-zone units allow simultaneous cooking of different foods. Temperature control and presets. Nuwave offers precise digital temperature control, 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, some up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, with many pre-programmed presets for common foods. This makes it easy for beginners and those who want to set and forget. Ninja features a wide temperature range, up to 240 degrees Celsius per 464 degrees Fahrenheit, simple controls, and a handful of presets. The interface is intuitive, and the higher temperature range is especially good for achieving extra crispiness. Cooking performance. Nuwave delivers consistent, even cooking with advanced air circulation. Foods like chicken wings and fries come out crispy on the outside and juicy inside. The larger basket means fewer batches for big meals. Ninja excels at producing crispy results, particularly for proteins like chicken wings. It tends to run hotter, which helps get a golden finish quickly. However, it may require more attention for delicate foods like vegetables to avoid overcooking. Versatility and functions. Nuwave's many models combine air frying with baking, broiling, roasting, and dehydrating. Some models can replace multiple appliances, saving counter space. Ninja offers multiple functions, including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and unique modes like max crisp. Dual-zone models let you cook 2 dishes at once, increasing versatility. Ease of use and cleaning. Nuwave's digital screens and presets make operation straightforward. Baskets are non-stick and easy to clean, often dishwasher safe. Ninja is highly praised for simplicity and easy cleanup. Baskets and racks are dishwasher safe, and the design is user-friendly for both beginners and experienced cooks. Price and value. Nuwave is generally more affordable, especially for the size and features. Good value for families or those needing more capacity. Ninja is slightly higher price point, but offers strong build quality, durability, and a sleek design. Worth the investment for those prioritizing performance and aesthetics. So, which should you choose? Choose Nuwave if you want a larger cooking basket, more presets, and a budget-friendly option for feeding families or prepping big meals. Choose Ninja if you value ease of use, superior crispiness, especially for proteins, a compact unit for small households, and don't mind paying a bit more for design and durability. Both brands deliver excellent air frying results, but your choice depends on your kitchen space, family size, and preferred features. Either way, you'll enjoy healthier, crispier meals with less oil and hassle.